This is the one, the only Kid Onyx, aka KO, coming at you with another video. And today we're gonna get rid of these kidney grills. Oh, don't mind that pretty thing right there. That's just a Ninja 650. Don't mind that neither. That's just a Jackson 600. Oh, she's so pretty. But we're not here for none of that. Today we're replacing this bad boy right here. Now I don't know why BMW has these fucking beautiful cars and they just slap chrome all over them. So today we're getting rid of this. So typically, now I'm gonna just pop the trunk and show you. Typically, people will tell you to lift this weather strip up, take the T25, the T30, take up this bolt, that bolt, and the other. I'm not doing none of that. I'm gonna do it the lazy way. Well, I mean, tomato, tomato. Some might say lazy, I just say the smarter way. So let's go ahead and get started. And we're gonna replace it with this bad boy right here. This is a real easy process, man. You can do this at home. I'm gonna show you play by play how to get it done. It's kind of hard to get the right camera angle as I'm doing it, so I'm gonna just show you. So here's your grill. You have these little tabs, and really what you're doing is lifting up this little piece in the middle. At the same time, you're pulling this out. Now, I know I said you could do this with no tools, but if you want a tool that can make this a little bit easier, here what you can do is just grab an Allen wrench, fit it in there, and what you're gonna do is just apply pressure. Hopefully you can see that. Just press up on it like that, and at the same time you're gonna pull, and that should make it easier. Now once you get all the bottoms, you don't need to do that on the top. You can just reach around, pull the whole thing, and you'll be able to get it out. Now, when you have just one pulled out, if you just let it go, it's gonna snap back into place. So you need to get at least two out, and then it'll kind of stay, and then you can work on getting the next one. So now once that's off, now all we gotta do is pop these into place. Actually, let me wipe this shit off. This is nasty. Got some Windex. This is just the first thing I saw, so it's not, I don't know, it'll get the job done. This is not that serious. Ooh, I just like clean shit. That just looks good. All right, now you just pop these into place. There we go. Kind of want to make sure you hear a click all around. Well, it's definitely not going anywhere. Oh, beautiful. This shit just comes flying out on the highway. There we go. And guys, this stuff is pretty malleable, so don't be afraid to like tug on it a little bit. And guys, there you have it. That is the aesthetic mod number 1. I got a lot more in store. The war on chrome continues. Everything that's chrome, I want to replace it with black. Matte black, satin black, whatever.